Every productivity system you've ever used has, at its core, the same approach to your novelty seeking, which is suppress it. Stay on task. Resist the new idea. Ignore the interesting thing. Don't get distracted. It's a reasonable advice. And also doesn't work for ADHD. Simply because suppressed novelty seeking doesn't disappear. It skips sideways. You're resisting the interesting thing, and then you're procrastinating on the task. And 4 hours later, neither happened. The R&D box, it's a different approach. It gives your novelty a budget. Not less novelty, budgeted novelty. Your ADHD brain, it's allowed to explore within a container with a timer in a design territory. The curiosity, it's legitimate. The allocation is the problem. So we allocate it. Here's how it works. The R&D box has territories, areas of active exploration you've named and decided they're worth your time. Not projects. Projects are in the CEO mode. Territories are more open-ended. AI tools, supply chain research. The territory exists to contain the exploration. Everything you find goes in here, not in your main projects, where it becomes a scope creep. Inside the territory, you have captures, things you found, links, notes, observations, ideas. Drop them in here. Then there is the session timer. When you open a territory for active exploration, start the timer. It'll track how much you've spent here. At the end of the week, your R&D report shows where your exploration time actually went, which territories absorbed it, and whether that matches what you've intended to allocate. The R&D box is not where you go to procrastinate. It's where you go to explore with your eyes open. You know how long you're doing it, and when the session ends, you return to your main work, and nothing gets lost. The difference between a controlled dive and losing an afternoon, it's visibility. That box provides visibility. The neuroscience of ADHD novelty seeking, dopamine, and why channeling it beats suppressing it. All in the Zalfol method article for R&D. Link in description. Next, story 9. The Keeper. The content capture library. Articles, videos, tweets, links. The things you want to save and actually use. Hope you can process through it. Subscribe.